Hikvision today presented the first time in Belgium HIKSHOW.
Hikvision is a wonderful product. Besides in camera surveillance systems, my favorite product is the product with face recognition. I think it's a product that is very important in the future.
We also showed a live demonstration with our new drone. It's a beautiful image and it's a beautiful product. You don't need to send somebody out, you just send out the drone. You have the 4K image, you have the thermal image, we have the cone to speak, we also have the dark fighter camera.
My favorite product of this evening would be the Dark Fighter X. The low light is extremely good and is very impressive, so that would be my favorite product, yes.